At the Marriage Foundation, we receive emails with questions. My name is Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, and one question that came through is, how do I deal with an unstable wife? It's a great question, and unfortunately, it applies to a lot of people these days. There's so much pressure in the world that women who are emotionally kind of they're tied to their emotions and encouraged to do so. And it's wrong for them to do so, but they are encouraged to. So wait, don't tell her it's wrong. I can tell her, but you can't. So she's really tied to her emotions, and you're seeing it as unstable. So what do you do? Well, here's what you do. You recognize that she's having a problem. Now, if she were having a problem lifting a refrigerator or changing the spark plugs in the car, you'd be right there and you would be helping her. Even if she didn't ask, you would at least ask her, is there something I can help you with? But you're seeing this not as a problem that she has. And that's the biggest problem. You're seeing it as an attack upon you. Okay, maybe not an attack, but an infringement on your peace, on your own sanity. So the first thing you have to do is you have to distance yourself from this attitude that your mind has decided to have. Notice how I phrase that. Your mind is not you. So you could tell your mind, whoa, why are you upset because her instability is causing her to yada, 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 whatever it is? Because those are the indicators. See, you didn't write in asking, my poor wife is emotionally unstable. How can I help her? I'm trying to help you to see that her emotional instability should not be an imposition upon you, but should cause you to feel compassion, to care. And you wait for your moment. And what you do is you let her know, honey, I love you. You are so beautiful. We want to go out for a walk? Shift everything. Go from the mundane, because emotional instability is mundane, believe it or not, and go to the higher place that you are connected with her on, which is love. You didn't get married in order to interact on a day-to-day basis about stupid stuff for the rest of your lives. You got married in order to experience unconditional love and to make each other happier, make yourself happier every day, but you don't know how. And no one ever taught us these things. We've gone through life not knowing. In fact, we've been misguided because the Western psych community has no idea about marriage. As a community, they have a higher divorce rate than average by far. They don't know what they're doing. So, start seeing it differently. Don't be critical of her or judgmental. Love her. That's for starts. Definitely subscribe to this channel so you could start getting a flavor for how marriage is supposed to be. And also get one of my books, or if you really want to take your marriage to the place of incredible benefits, get the course for men. It'll change your life, her life. You'll be happier every day of your life. And that's what it's all about. I hope this was helpful. If it was, like the video, leave a comment if you'd like. As a comment, it's best if you want to ask a question, because that's where I go. If you just want to ask a question of one of our counselors, that's a free service. Go to themarriagefoundation.org, go to the Ask a Counselor tab, imagine that, and write in your question. Thank you for joining me. God bless, and take care.